มากๆนะคะ In the evening on the beach so beautiful no rain นะ
Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon. So yeah, we're here at Beach Road in Jomtien. Everybody having a good time, doing some aerobics. And say hi to Kitty. Kitty, do you want to do aerobics? Not today? All right, let's take our walk. So yeah, we're just gonna take a walk. Just gonna take a walk along Beach Road here in Jomtien. Just hanging out, enjoying the nice night. Actually, we're gonna, after this, we're gonna get back, crash kind of early, because tomorrow we're gonna hit up Jomtien, not Jomtien, we're gonna hit up Thailand tomorrow. Yes? Tomorrow all day. All day. All day.
All day, start in the morning early.
That's right. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Check out Koh Lan. We're gonna go some snorkeling underwater, see the fish.
Yes.
And we're just gonna hang out. Me, not you.
Not me.
We'll see if we'll get her to go along with it. Anyways, so yeah, we're just gonna take a stroll down this road. We're gonna get food in a little bit. See if we can get our 10,000 steps in. I could be doing the aerobics, but so there you go, 6:14. So this is what Jomtien Beach looks like, 6:14. Right up there, that building, pretty cool. It's got a zip line that goes up there from the top, goes all the way down.
You say with me a buffet in the...
I believe there is a buffet in that building.
I remember away buffet, eat.
Yeah, so she wants buffet. That's really what she wants all the darn time. Is that what you want? Buffet?
Yes.
Yes. Does this look like somebody who eats a lot? Yeah, I don't think so. She eats all the darn time. I don't get it. I don't get it. So I eat, man, I'm gonna put on a couple kilo, a couple pounds. Hear that? She's got done calling me fat.
I like.
But she likes it.
Wait.
Bigger the better. That's what she said.
You look good. I like.
So anyways, there's Koh Lan in the distance.
Tomorrow, last next video from city.
So I'm going to be showing her how to kind of work this little camera situation. I don't think she knows this, but this walk is quite a ways down the road. So let's see, news in Thailand. Getting easier to travel here.
I think it's same as California.
No, this is definitely different than California. I mean, we have nice beaches there, without a doubt. One thing I've noticed about these beaches...
I think on the beach are same as California, right?
No, they're just different.
Oh, that's beach. That's beach, not only beach. Some people. I like location. I see YouTube and internet. California city is good.
Yeah.
I like.
It definitely can be good in California. So I live in Pismo Beach.
Yeah.
And you like what, Disneyland? What did you say?
Yeah.
That's not that close to the beach.
My own.
yeah, she would like to go to Disneyland. Anyways, hey, getting into Thailand, you know, honestly guys, getting in for myself wasn't that bad. It took several steps, 4 different steps basically to get in. It was a test and go. Basically what that means is you register online. They've now eliminated the test before you actually go, but you do need to show vaccine card, show insurance, 20,000 USD. You need to show your hotel stay and your passport. You submit all that info, wait a couple of days, and you're in. You get a QR code which you print out and take with you. Now I advise you guys take a couple of copies of that QR code. But honestly, that's all there is to it. And if you really want the down and dirty, just go straight to the website, the Test and Go website. As you're going through the process, you can purchase your insurance right there. You can actually purchase your quarantine stay, which includes, by the way, a transfer from the airport. They'll give you a COVID test. You wait 6 to 12 hours, then you're a free person to travel anywhere. That's it. Pretty darn simple. Anyways, here we go. Several restaurants. Yeah, definitely a good place. So I think May 1st it actually changes. But yeah, check with the Thai embassy. You can listen or watch YouTube videos all day. Doesn't mean it's all accurate. What was that? Yeah, a lot of trees here on the beach. Beach is kind of busy today. Anyways, right up there, you can zip line.
A beautiful building, but I think inside in the building is good. Outside,
I don't know. I've never.
Outside, it's normal building. You think?
I have no idea. I've never been there. I don't even know the name of it. Anyways, people eating, people hanging out. That's what the beach life is all about. It really doesn't matter what country you're in, what beach you're at. It's kind of what you do, man. Enjoy. And the kids are out here. Everybody's out here just having a good time. And as I always say, live your best life. All of you guys know it. And I'm never going to stop saying it. Let's do it. All right, we're going to get around here. You're wearing a mask now.
Many people look at me, no mask.
I would say right now, I guess most people are wearing masks here still. I have mine on my wrist, not quite wearing it.
You not wear a mask?
Well, most of the time I wear it. Most of the time, especially when I'm riding the scooter, I gotta wear it. No, just kidding. When I'm wearing my helmet, I don't wear it.
Yeah, I know.
Put it around my wrist.
US must wear mask.
Yeah, I believe they've lifted the mask mandate on air transport.
In Thai, you not wear mask, many people look at you. It's crazy.
Yes, they will look at you. You know what, Kitty? I think they look at me anyways. They're probably wondering who I am. So yeah, guys, this is just our little walkabout. Jomtien Beach Road. approaching the volleyball courts. I was hoping we'd catch a little bit of volleyball action going on. I did the other day and I noticed these guys, short players, they're freaking awesome. They get up and over that net. So it's definitely pretty cool. Yeah, a lot of street dogs here.
Wow. Oh my God.
So this is, I guess, some sort of old amusement park. I don't know much about this area, the hotels, the buildings. So if you're looking for basically a Jomtien tour, you're not going to get it from me. Sorry, people. You're getting just normal life from just a traveler. Now I am here for about a month. Got to go back to my home country, continue to settle things up. So here we go. Here's some cool volleyball right here. Kitty. So let's take a peek. Like I said, some of these guys are excellent. And it's very windy out.
Volleyball.
Yes.
Not too many.
Yeah, these guys are actually pretty good right here. Yeah, these guys actually, and then there's two over here too. Let's go a little further down, look at the group. Here we go, let's take a peek. Running into you again. Sorry about that. Yeah, okay.
I'm walking. Every day to the end and back.
Oh, well, we're just going to the volleyball, check it out.
Yeah, this is very
I hope
nice.
you don't mind, you're kind of on my YouTube, is that okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. What's your name? I didn't
Dirk.
get Dirk from
Germany.
Robbie from California,
Oh, California.
and of course Kitty from here,
from here, from Thailand.
from Bangkok.
Gigi asked to you. She asked me, Kitty, you see him or I not see him?
Give her my light.
No, my.
You helped her out with her phone, right?
Oh, just a moment.
You helped her out with her phone, right?
Yeah. I was in the swimming pool. She talked with you, and then she was so confused that
And you know she just
I
moved
tried to
in.
help, but it was too wet.
Is that where you live, permanent?
Yeah.
Right now? Oh, okay. So I have a 10-month lease there.
Yeah.
And I just got there, she just got there. She'll stay there when I go back home. I go back to the US in
When?
about 3 weeks.
In 3 weeks?
Yeah, I just gotta go and wrap up my business, make some more money, then I'll come back.
To make the money here.
I wish, but I'll come back no later than November, and I'll stay hopefully 6 months at that time. And then
I
go
think
back.
Stay better here than in the States.
Oh yeah, the stress, exactly. I
Yeah.
mean,
Two hours I need. 1 hour, 1 hour.
1 hour.
oh, that's good.
Yeah. Exercise, no problem.
Yes.
Huh? Yeah.
No problem.
We have to take care. Huh? We have to take care. No, you are good shape, huh? But we.
She always says, "Chuk yai."
No. Yes,
Yes, she did.
I respect him. He helped me when my phone dropped in the water.
Yeah, her phone dropped in the water.
Every
That's
time I am.
ขอบคุณค่ะยิ้มแพ้เอาบูเดิน Help me บอก
Dirk from Germany.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I'm not proud of this
It's okay.
because Germany goes so bad now. I'm not proud about this. Yeah. This is like the old times in 1933.
Oh, not good.
Yeah.
But you know what? You don't have to think about it when you're here, right?
Yeah.
Because I don't think about it. When I'm here, I don't think about anything.
Yes.
I
Here we
forget
are
it.
safe, but I don't know.
Yeah.
I escaped 20 years before because
Oh, you've been here 20 years?
No.
Oh.
Here I'm 2.5 years.
Okay, so you're...
And before I lived in Mallorca. You know Mallorca? Ever heard of it? Mallorca is a holiday island in the Mediterranean. It's in Spain.
Yes,
That-
yes, I
near
have.
Ibiza.
Ibiza, yes.
Ibiza, you know.
Ibiza, yes.
Yeah, it's a fantastic, but it's Europe. I think Europe goes in the next time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But not here.
Because America is more safe because America goes down. Yes, all
Yeah.
go down. Yeah, Asia is the future, but America has South America and Middle America, and they have cheeseburgers. They have a lot of things, and they are surviving. But,
Yeah, we're
But
okay.
Europe, nobody.
You know, I'd rather be here in Thailand. We don't think about it.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, and
Well,
with
cool.
your beautiful
Yes.
ladies, you have no problems.
Well, great. Good to meet you,
Yes,
Dirk from
I see
Germany,
you.
and I'm Robbie, and I'll see you in. Are you? Does he stay at, or you stay at the
Same,
Riviera?
same.
Okay.
Three apartments.
Yeah.
Oh, on the 20th floor.
20 floor, yeah.
Robbie,
Oh.
you remember him
When we
next
downstairs.
room?
Yeah, I remember. We see him in the.
Yeah.
But now I know his name.
Dirk, Robbie.
Dirk. Yes, you got it. All
Yeah.
right, sir. Will you go do your walk? We're gonna watch some volleyball.
Let's talk next time, huh?
We will.
Enjoy
yeah.
it.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Good evening นะ
All right, that was cool. Meeting the neighbors. Getting dark now, so I don't know if you guys can see this.
I think him old นะ I think him 50 year old I think
Yeah, I think he's about 60 at least. He's 58? No. This place, if anything, doesn't age you. It reverses it. Definitely reverses it. All right, let's see if we can capture a couple of rallies here. Would be cool. Is he YouTubing?
YouTube ค่ะ
That's right, YouTube, baby.
ใช่ค่ะพี่สวัสดีค่ะ
He wants to be a star on YouTube.
สวัสดีค่ะ YouTube
Yep. There we are.
น่ารักอ่ะ
There we go. He wants to be a star on YouTube also. Everybody's a star here. Whoa. There we go. All right, that's a good little match right here. Oh, good one. All right. All right, let's do it. All right, well, we got to see a pretty cool rally. Got to see a cool rally right there. That was pretty awesome to watch. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as we did. So now we're heading back, but we're gonna stop somewhere and get something to eat, which I'll also do a food review with you guys as well. All right, so stay with me. I do like 2-on-2 better. Does go much faster. Don't know where she's going. When she's running to the food, I don't know. But here's legit volleyball players here. Guys getting up and over the net. This definitely reminds me of home. Oh, just in. So I hope you guys enjoyed the walk with me. This is Thailand. This is what I do, man. And if you guys are here, let me know. Let's meet up. I'm in the Pattaya Jomtien area. A couple more weeks. Then I'll be in Bangkok. Bangkok, I'll be pretty much downtown area. I'll be doing some official business in Thailand and Bangkok with an online radio provider service. You know, the goal is, you know, I'll fly back home to the US. You know, I keep calling it home. I feel like this is more my home than the US right now. Anyways, I'll fly back to California right around May 8th, 9th. You know, as you probably heard me say to our friends and earlier, I'm gonna wrap up some business. That doesn't mean I'm selling my business or anything like that. I just need to make sure everything's running smoothly. I will have some pretty exciting news regarding the business. So we're looking at doing some stuff overseas, not only in Thailand, but in the Philippines. So a lot of cool things happening. And you know what's even cooler is you don't live my best life here in Thailand, operate a successful business. It isn't easy, and it's not without complete gratitude, not only to all my clients, but to my awesome team back home. They are freaking legit. They ain't perfect, but they are legit. And together, I'm hoping, you know, they're making my dreams come true, but I want them to make their own dreams come true. And I always tell them that. What are your dreams? Let's work together. It's not only about me, but I do focus on what my dreams are. I definitely want people to focus on their own dreams, and that includes my own team. So yeah, back home, making it happen. Very much appreciated. You guys who are liking, subscribe, leave a comment. I very much appreciate that. I know that's what it takes to work the YouTube channels, getting more subs, getting more comments, getting more likes. That helps so other people who are searching, traveling in Thailand or living in Thailand, that helps them find it easily. Now when I'm gone next month, I won't be posting a bunch of videos because I am going to focus on Thailand. What's up?
Who named Dirk?
Dirk?
From Germany.
Dirk from Germany. That's it. Dirk. Dirk? All right, kitty. How do you say it?
Dirk.
Keep on saying it.
Dirk.
Duke, not Duke. Dirk.
Dirk from Germany.
That's right.
From Germany.
And he's apparently our neighbor. Only 3 doors down.
Dirk. Hi, Dirk.
I think we're gonna catch up to him.
You capture from Tiger. Oh.
So guys, if the camera is shaking up and down, it's because we're walking.
I start. I am hungry.
What was that?
I start. I am hungry.
Yeah, I didn't see many restaurants where I thought we would go.
Yeah.
So we got a little workout in, but you went to the gym before this, right?
Yes.
Yep. How long did you work out in the gym?
1 hour.
1 hour.
1 hour. Every day, I think maybe 1 hour, 2 times. I think I play gym in the evening. In the morning early, not go to the gym.
Not in the morning?
Yeah, not morning.
So I'm more of a morning guy. So typically I like to get up early, hit the swimming pool.
Yes. In the morning, go to the swimming pool.
Yeah, I like that.
In the evening, go to the gym.
I definitely like doing the early morning swim. Now, not that I'm a good swimmer. I'm pretty much just a paddler. It looks like I'm suffering when I'm in the swimming pool. The funny part of it is it's only like a 4 foot, 5 foot pool. I could stand up, but it looks like I'm drowning. So don't want to scare the neighbors.
Oh. What? Yes.
What's up? All right, Kitty, you're pointing something.
Not stop car. We walk.
Yeah, I think what we'll do is we'll get on the scooter. Let's go down the street.
Yeah.
Find a place we want to be and we'll eat. Got the kids out. Look at this. Love it. Love it. Oh, little guy. All right, almost ran over him as he almost ran over me in his little trike. You know, in Thailand, very family oriented. It's not just a party scene. And don't get me wrong, I'll be showing all that stuff.
Oh. I think tonight.
My goal. Go ahead. What was that?
Heavy raining.
Heavy raining tonight?
Yeah, tonight I think.
All right. So my goal isn't just to show you parties and bar girls, all that stuff. And again, I'm going to show you some of that stuff. But I'm going to show you what real life is like as I'm progressing towards my own retirement here at a place where I'm treated best.
What you take bar?
What was that?
YouTube and bar girl in the country.
Well, if the bar girls will let me,
Want to take YouTube?
if they'll let me, sure, I'll love to. You know what I want is that interview with the lady boy, just because it'd be really kind of fun. I know I have a lot of American buddies out there, lots of questions, bar girls also. We're gonna give a variety of why Thailand. It's not only made for single guys, expats like that. Definitely a pretty awesome place. You know, I have to admit, back in 2019 when I first came, I was still searching. There we go, some karaoke. Right on. What do you say?
No photo.
Oh, he don't want his photo.
No photos, yes.
All right, so we're not taking his photo. I don't even know if we got it.
Some women keep the private, keep yourself.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, that's one thing I've definitely learned. Didn't learn it the hard way. I kind of knew, you know, people around here, it's all about respect. A lot of people want to remain private.
I think when to YouTube and share the online internet, I think it's okay. You understand? But someone don't like YouTube.
Yeah.
Share them.
Some people don't want their picture taken.
I think it's okay for me. I like.
Let's just keep going straight here.
You think?
We got a sandbar. We got a couple little restaurants right here. That looks pretty busy.
I think look good. Look good.
It's called the Sandbar. We can eat there. Let's see what this other one is right over here.
Look.
You got this one here, not many people. That's always scary.
When many people still eat.
Means good business.
Yes.
Yeah, so Kitty agrees. When the place is busy, means good business.
Yes, good food.
So guys, we're gonna wrap up this walkabout right here. Appreciate you all tuning in. And yeah, we're gonna go grab some food right now. And yeah, be sure to click that like, subscribe. Stay tuned, we'll throw a food review on this video. We'll go from there.
Bye bye.